Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.98 trillion, down 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see in the last 7 days we have seen quite some red across the board once again. But if we are looking in the last 1 hour, we are seeing some mild green across the board. What's going on? Like, what's causing this? We will get right into that. So if you're an altcoin holder, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. But today, guys, we want to talk about none other than one coin that we love on this channel, and that's none other than VeChain. Alright, my VeChain family, if we are looking at the VeChain's price right now, you guys can see VeChain is currently trading at 0.057 cents. We're down 1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. VeChain's current rank in the overall cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 42 spot. Market cap right now is $3.8 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $233.2 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 35%. Obviously, this does not seem quite, big amounts compared to some other altcoins, but if we are looking from 2020, 2019 lows, we are up quite a bit still. So, we need to look at the broader picture when we are looking at the prices. But before we get into the exciting stuff, the price, what's going on, and where could we be going in the immediate short term, I just want to say this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, it's the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join up to 10 million plus users buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. One thing I love about this app is it's a one-stop shop. You can literally do everything on this app, just by downloading the app and creating an account. It is available on the two major platforms, the App Store and the Google Play Store. So if you do have an Apple device, you can download this through the App Store. If you do have an Android device, you can download this on the Google Play Store. And like I said, one thing that I really like about this app is that you could literally do everything on here. You could transfer your fiat to crypto, and you can invest in all the major cryptocurrencies right on here. And the best part is you can stake it and earn passive income if you are in it for the long haul. And they have the Crypto.com prepaid Visa card, which you could spend anywhere Visa is accepted. That's literally everywhere around the world at this time. So check it out. Use a link in the description box below to sign up. You will get $25 if you do choose to do so. So check it out, and I would really appreciate that. But now let's get right into the price. If we are looking at the VeChain's price right now, guys, you guys can see something very interesting has been happening over the past couple of days. And to be quite honest with you guys, I've been reading your guys' comments, and a lot of people, there's a lot of negativity coming, especially when it comes to VeChain. A lot of people are losing hope. A lot of people are saying VeChain is boring, this and that. But guess what, guys? This is where your patience really does get tested. Again, I'm sorry to say, yes, we have been seeing quite some projects over the past couple, months, couple years, over the last year or so, being parabolic, seeing gains after gains after gains. But you guys need to realize not every coin is going to do that. And but that does not mean VeChain time is not gonna come. We did see VeChain go from literally below a penny all the way up to we saw an all-time high of about 28 cents on April 17th of 2021. And there was a lot of uncertainty, but back in 2019 as well, people were saying, oh, VeChain is boring, this and that, and you guys saw what happened. and we have seen, quite some sideways movements happen. We did see a breakout towards the upside just on November, and we were back into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time ever since May of 2021, and that really did create a lot of excitement. But unfortunately, we did see the price of Bitcoin have a major pullback. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin is correlated with the entire cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin is the king of the markets, and it's a leading indicator. So if Bitcoin has these kind of drops, guess what is going to happen with the entire cryptocurrency markets? All the altcoins are going to react, and obviously VeChain is no exception. You guys can see we saw VeChain go all the way down to 0.043 cents just 2-3 weeks ago. We saw it as a breakout towards the upside, but got rejected at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And we have seen a small retracement occur since then. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, we have seen a retracement of about 20%. Quite, a bit of a drop, but, the reason as to why we're seeing this happen as well is because, exactly the same thing I have been talking about on my channel, my Crypto ZX family. You guys know we have been talking about this channel. On this channel is this price movement of Bitcoin. Yes, we did see a beautiful breakout towards the upside for Bitcoin. We saw us go all the way up to that $46,160 resistance level. That was a move of about 37.16%. Quite a bit of a move, really did create a lot of excitement within the board. But guess what I was saying? You guys can go watch my video, just the last 2-3 videos I posted when we were having this breakout. I said, guys, yes, the breakout is very nice, but we're not getting excited until we break out of this level of resistance at that $46,267 mark. And you guys can literally see this is not a joke, guys. You cannot make this up. I'm not drawing some random lines across the board for you guys. These are major levels of resistances and support levels, and you can literally see we had a rejection right at that level of resistance. We touched that level of resistance at the 46,000 roughly $100 mark and saw the price of Bitcoin see a rejection, and we tumbled back towards the downside. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool, we have seen Bitcoin have a cool off of about 8%. To be quite honest with you guys, after having about a 37% move towards the upside, these kind of price movements, fluctuality is not too bad. But right now, like I said, we're definitely not out of the woods just yet. Bitcoin is still sitting at some critical price levels, and if we tumble below $40,756 level, we could be in for another touch to the previous level of support that we touched not too long ago. So you need to be prepared for that. Obviously, what we want to see Bitcoin do is go above that resistance level at the $43,511 mark. If we're able to stay above there, great. If not, we could be in for more downwards momentum. So if this were to occur, what will happen with the price of VeChain? Obviously, there's a lot of things happening for the overall VeChain ecosystem itself. If we do forget about the price, I have mentioned this on my channel before, but I know a lot of newcomers are coming onto my channel in the cryptocurrency markets. They may not know, but VeChain is by far one of the most major projects, in my personal opinion, that has been building. And even though the price has not been showing crazy momentum over the past couple months to a year, but they have not stopped developing, guys. They are exceeding, and they're bringing mass adoption to the crypto space, guys. And at the end of the day, VeChain has a working product. And not only that, they're working with some of the biggest names around the world, some of the biggest names, companies around the world, and they are using the VeChain Thor blockchain. That itself should show you where they are headed towards. Obviously, the price action does not always happen right off the bat, but the people that do have patience, they're the ones that do tend to get rewarded when the time does come. I'm extremely bullish on this project, and me personally, again, my own personal opinion, I do predict that we are going to see a Coinbase listing happen this year. Obviously, that has been in speculation within the community over the past year or so, but I do believe this year could be the time. Obviously, we have seen the meme coins and the blockchain coins, the new blockchain coins such as the Polkadot, Solana, all these guys have gained a lot of traction in NFT space, but when the time comes, guys, VeChain is going to be very, very appealing in my personal opinion. And right now it is quite cheap. And it's undervalued compared to some of the projects in my personal opinion. As I had mentioned on my channel, there are some coins that are crazy valuations, like crazy market caps, and they're not even 10% close to building and what they're trying to do compared to what VeChain is trying to do. And long-term perspective, as I have said, VeChain, the sky is the limit right now. Yes, we have seen quite a bit of boring movements happen, but right now my next price target is still priced in at that 10.1 cents mark, guys. And that move is about, if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that move is about still, to be exact, 77.76%. And honestly speaking, I don't have any funds available right now, but if I did have some fiat available, I would be dollar cost averaging in around these price points, because I am a long term believer for VeChain, and I do believe this project is here to stay. But again, only my own personal opinion, and time is going to tell. But if we do see another breakout towards the upside for for the price of Bitcoin, we could see VeChain start going back into the 78.6, try to go to this level of resistance at the 10.127 cents mark, which is a major level of resistance. So we will see what happens. I will keep you guys posted. But keeping that in mind, if Bitcoin does tumble below, once again, below 40K, these prices that we saw on January 27th are in the books as well. BTC dominance, on the other hand, has been climbing like crazy. Should not be coming as a surprise. You guys know what's been going on in the markets. When Bitcoin is on the shaky end, we do tend to see more money go into Bitcoin rather than altcoins, because Bitcoin is the way strong in holding compared to altcoins, especially in a downwards trend. And lastly, if we are looking at this Google trend chart for the price of VeChain, we have pretty much flattened out over the past couple months. And we did see a small spike towards the upside. Nothing to be super getting excited about, but I just wanted to mention that for you guys. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and where could you see the price of VeChain go at the end of this year. And let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the absolute world for me, guys. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me. Special shout out to my day one supporters, Michael along with Patrick, always showing support no matter what. And you guys mean the world to me, and always remember, your support does not go unnoticed. I love you all. Keep supporting me. This is just the beginning, guys. We are gonna take over. Smash the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and comment down below. That helps the YouTube algorithm a lot. That would mean the world to me. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.